Got a door that just falls open on its own. If you take the hinge out and smack it on the asphalt or the concrete with a hammer, put it back in. You see how it's got the bend in it, and you put it out. Put it back in, and no more coming open door. It's got 2 more builders. I got one yesterday, and I think I just got another one. I know I did. I'm gonna have to hire some guys. I can't take all this on myself. Friends, looking to hire somebody young that's willing to learn this probably. Need somebody that's got their own transportation and possibly some tools. Need to be willing to learn, and also need to know how to read a tape measure. If anybody knows anybody, please hit me up on Snapchat. If anybody knows anybody, the younger the better. If anybody knows anybody, hit me up and let me know. I'm gonna be looking at, it'll just be part-time. Now leaving the job.
Buffalo Wild Wings sells boneless wings at a discounted price.
Man,
That's right,
I didn't
Friday.
finish.
Thursday's looking